Hello, good evening everyone. In the last class is discussion about the concept of equipotential surface. The equipotential surface means it is a surface having the same electric potential at the every point. That is called equipotential surface. The equipotential surface means the surface, it is a surface having the same electric potential at every point. That is called equipotential surface. That is equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. The surface, the electric potential is present at the any position of a given surface is called equipotential surface. The better example, the examples of the equipotential surface is surface of a charged body, charging body. The charging body is the in any shape. That is the charging body is the better examples of the equipotential surface. How to draw the equipotential surface of a single positive charges? First, to draw the positive charge. The positive charge means it is a direction of the positive charges is outward direction. Equipotential, it is a electric field lines is it is a diverging. The electric field lines is normal to the equipotential surface. That is the equipotential surface of a positive charges. Similarly, draw the equipotential surface of a negative charges and the equipotential surface of a dipole. Dipole means one is positive, another one is negative. That means equal and opposite charges. And equipotential surface of a pair of positive charges and a pair of negative charges. That is the diagrams of equipotential surface of a equipotential surfaces. And what is the properties? The properties of equipotential surfaces. First one, see, that is the one equipotential surface. The one over equipotential is there is a negative charge. The electric field lines, draw the electric field lines. It is a equipotential surface. That means this is the one equipotential surface. This is called one more equipotential surface. The two equipotential surfaces does not intersect to each other. That's the first property. That means the no two equipotential surfaces intersect to each other. Intersect to each other. That is the first property. And the second property is the work done is zero. The work done is zero in moving test charge. The moving positive test charge over the equipotential surface. That means the work done is a zero. And the third one is the direction of electric field lines. That is a diverging or converging. Any direction. The direction of a electric field lines is always normal to the plane to the what equipotential surface. That is a one property. And the fourth property is the equipotential surfaces are closer in the region of strong electric field lines. Closer in the region of a strong electric field lines. These are the properties of equipotential surface. This properties is and the diagrams is important in examination purpose. The first property once again, the two or more equipotential surfaces does not contact to each other. The work done is zero in moving test charge over the equipotential surface. The direction of the electric field lines is normal to the equipotential surface. The equipotential surface are closer in the region of strong electric field. Strong electric field. That is the concept of equipotential surface. What is the definition? How to draw the equipotential surfaces and what is the properties of equipotential surface. And next concept is how to find the electric potential due to the electric dipole. That means derive the general, that is derive the expression for derive the electric potential due to electric dipole. That means electric potential means the work done acting for any positive charge, that is called electric potential. It is a electric potential is it is represented by symbol is V. Symbol is the V. By using a electric dipole, find the electric potential. First to draw the electric potential. First to draw the dipole system. This is called dipole system. The dipole system is consists of two charges. One is the dipole system is it is called dipole system. The dipole system is consist of negative and positive charges. Now the negative charge is acting at a point A, the positive charge is acting at a point B, and O is a point. Vector P is the dipole system. Vector P is called dipole system. And P is a point. The PO line is drawn to the, that is the PO line is draw the line PO is perpendicular to AB line and join the sides of this triangle. PO, PA and PB. P is a point. And N is the draw the line BN. Draw the line BN is perpendicular to PO. The line is a 90 degree. Draw the line BN, it is perpendicular to BO. The length of a PO is taken as small r. When extend the line of PO, this line is extend certain distance. It is draw the line AM. That is AM is the one line. It is a triangle. Angle is theta. It is taken as theta. It is also theta. The triangle AOM, triangle POB. It is the opposite triangles, equal and opposite triangles. The distance between dipole system is a 2A. The distance between dipole system is positive magnitude of a charges is 2A. The distance of A and O is taken as A. The distance of O and positive charge is a small a. That is the explanation part of the electric potential due to the dipole system, electric dipole. First to draw the dipole system, it is the distance between dipole system is 2A. O is the midpoint. It is acting at the dipole system. Theta is the opposite triangles. Draw the line PO. It is perpendicular to AB. Draw the sides of the triangle, and the theta is the opposite triangles. The BN line is perpendicular to PO. The distance of PO is the small n. That's the explanation part of a electric potential due to the dipole system. Once again, the diagram shows the negative positive charges minus Q plus Q is the magnitude of charges. The 2A is the distance between the two charges, and O is the midpoint of the dipole system. P is a point at a distance is small r from O, and theta is the angles between the dipole axes. It is the opposite triangles. First, find the electric potential due to the negative charge and find the electric potential due to the positive charge. First, to find out what is the electric potential. What is the average equation? What is the electric potential due to the single point charge? That is V is equal to 1 by 4/5 epsilon naught. Single charge is Q, divided by distance is small r. As it is same, the electric potential due to the electric potential V1 at a point P due to the charge is minus Q. What is the equation? The electric potential at a point P due to the charge is minus Q. What is the distance? That is AP is the distance. That means R is called, that is AP. There is no distance, that is R is called AP distance. Write the equation, that is V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Q by R. That is the electric potential due to the at a point P due to the negative charge. And similarly, the electric potential V2 at a point P due to the positive charge. At a point P due to the positive charge. That means the electric potential V2 at a point P due to the positive charge. What is the distance? That is a PB. PB is the distance. Write the equation. That is V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is Q divided by this distance is called, that is a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is the charge is what? Minus Q. First equation, charge is minus Q. What is the distance? That is AP. Distance is AP. That is called equation number 1. The electric potential V1 at a point P due to the negative charge. Charge is a minus Q. Distance is AP. That is called equation number 1. Similarly, the electric potential V2 at a point P due to the positive charge. Charge is positive. What is the distance? That is PB. PB is the distance. That is called equation number 2. Equation number 2. What is the resultant? Then, after the equation 1 and equation 2, find the resultant potential. The resultant potential at a point P due to the dipole. Point P due to the dipole system. That is V is equal to sum of the V1 plus V2 or V2 plus V1, both are same. The V is equal to V1 plus V2 means that is a resultant potential at a point P due to the dipole system. Substitute the values. That means adding equation 2 plus 1. Both are same. Therefore, the resultant potential V is equal to, what is V2 value? That is V2 is that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by PB. Plus, what is the V1? V1 is called, that is the negative of a charge. That is a plus into minus is minus. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. The charge is Q. Distance is AP. What is the common factor? 1 by 4 pi of constant is the common factor. Charge is the common factor. Let us take outside. Therefore, the electric potential Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is the common factor. It is 1 by PB minus 1 by AP. That is called equation number 3. That is called equation number 3. Then, after the third equation, see the line, that is the line AP. The line is AP is equal to the PM. That is, the A is very close to M. The line AP must be is equal to PM. That is, A is near to the M. That means, write the sentence. That is, find the values of PB and AP. Find the values of PB and AP. How to find? The BN line is perpendicular to OP and AM, that is AM, the AM line is perpendicular to PO. Then that is the A, that means the E is very close to M. The A is very close to M. That means the line AP must be is equal to line PM, capital M. PM. AP must be is equal to PM. Then the AP must be is equal to, how to write PM? PM can be written as sum of the PO and OM. The PM can be written as sum of the PO and OM, that is PM plus OM. PM plus OM. Okay, next AP. AP must be is equal to, AP must be is equal to PM. PM can be written as sum of the PO, that is not MO, PO and OM. The PO, what is the distance of PO? That is a small r. The PO distance is small r plus OM is, that is a OM. What is OM? That is OM. That is as it is. How to find the value of OM? From the triangle AOM. From the triangle AOM. It is a direction of the dipole is, it is a horizontal direction. By using it is a theta is the angle. By using a definition of cos theta. What is the definition of cos theta? That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. The theta is the angle. The opposite line is the opposite side. The distance is the distance between A and P. That is small a. That is small a. That means the cos theta. The cos theta is defined as OM by OA. OM is the adjacent side. AM is the hypotenuse side. That is adjacent side is OM by hypotenuse side is, that is the theta. Hypotenuse side is AO. That is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse side. The opposite, that is hypotenuse. By using a definition of cos theta, adjacent side is OM as it is, and AO value, that is a AO, or the cos theta is equal to OM by, what is the distance of AO? AO means there is a small distance, that is small a. Cross multiply, that is OM is equal to A into cos theta. OM is equal to A into cos theta. This value is substituted in above equation. That is the one value, OM value. Therefore, AP is equal to R plus A cos theta. AP is equal to R plus A cos theta. That is the AP value. The AP value, this line, the distance of AP distance. The AP distance is R plus A cos theta. R plus A cos theta. Similarly, what is the distance of PB? PB, the distance of PB is, that is the opposite line. The opposite of the AP line, that is R minus A cos theta. That is the values of, AP value and PB values. So substitute the values of AP and PB in the previous equation number 3. Equation number 3 from the equation number 3 is, what is the equation number 3? That is the electric potential V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught bracket open 1 divided by, what is the PB value? The PB value is, that is R minus A cos theta, minus is as it is, minus 1 by, what is the value of AP? The AP value is, that is R plus A cos theta. Substitute the values of AP and PB in equation number 3. The equation number 3 is V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R minus A cos theta minus 1 by R plus A cos theta. Next step, the electric potential V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Simplify this equation. First take LCM and cross multiply. That is R minus A cos theta into R plus A cos theta. divided by 1 into r plus a cos theta is r plus a cos theta minus is as it is 1 into r minus a cos theta is 1 minus r minus a cos theta, bracket close. Therefore the electric potential V is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Simplify this equation, that is r plus a cos theta minus into plus is minus r minus into minus is plus into a cos theta divided by r into r, that is r square minus into plus is minus a into a is a square cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus r minus r get cancelled. A cos theta plus a cos theta, one time of a cos theta, one time of a cos theta, that is 2a cos theta. Therefore the electric potential q by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 2a cos theta divided by r square minus a square cos square theta. But what is the definition of a dipole moment? The product of the dipole moment is defined as the product of charge and distance between the magnitude of charges. The product of charge, the distance between the positive and negative charges, that is q2a, that is called dipole moment. That is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is q2a, that is called p cos theta divided by r square minus a square cos square theta. This is the expression for electric potential due to the in presence of dipole moment. It is due to electric dipole, where V is the electric potential, epsilon naught is the permittivity, P is the dipole moment, and R is the distance between P and O, A is the distance between midpoint of the positive and negative charges. That is the concept of electric potential due to the electric potential due to the electric dipole. Once again, listen. First, to draw the dipole system. The dipole system is consist of positive and negative charges. The negative charge is acting at a point A. The positive charge is acting at a point B. O is the midpoint of the dipole system. Vector P is represented by dipole system. The distance between negative and positive charges, that is 2a. The distance between O and negative charge is A. The distance between B and O is, that is A. P is a point. The distance between P and O is taken as small r. Draw the sides of the triangle. Draw the line BN. It is perpendicular to BO. The line of the BO is extend certain distance. That point is called M. Draw the line AM. The A is very close to M. That means the AP must be is equal to PM. Then first to write the electric potential V1 at a point P due to the negative charge. The electric potential V1 at a point P due to the negative charge. What is the distance? That is the AP. Write the equation. That is the average equation. That is a single point charge equation. That is V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. That is charge is negative, or 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q. Distance, what is the distance? P due to negative charge is AP. That is called equation number 1. Similarly, the electric potential V2 at a point P due to the positive charge. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is plus Q. What is the distance? PB. That is PB. That is called equation number 2. Adding equation of 1 and 2. That means the resultant electric potential at a point P due to the dipole system is, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2 or V2 plus V1. Both are same. Substitute the values of V2 plus V1. The Q and 1 by 4 5 epsilon is the common factor, that is take outside. Remaining 1 by PB minus 1 by AP, that is called equation number 3. Then the diagram shows the APA point A is very close to M, that means AP must be is equal to PM, that is AP must be is equal to PM, or AP is equal to, the PM can be written as the sum of PM, the PM line can be written as sum of the PO and OM, sum of the PO and OM, PO plus OM. What is the distance of PO? That is a small r. OM is as it is. Find the value of OM. How to find OM, this line? By using up from the triangle AMO, from the triangle AOM. It is a electric field line. The dipole moment is a horizontal direction. It is based on the definition of cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the distance of adjacent side? It is the opposite adjacent hypotenuse. The adjacent side is OM as it is. The hypotenuse side is the distance is small a. That is OM by AO or OM by small a. Calculate OM, that is OM is equal to A cos theta. OM is equal to A cos theta. The OM value is substitute in the previous equation. In this equation, AP is equal to R plus A. The cos theta value is, that is the OM value is A cos theta. A cos theta. That is the AP value. Similarly, find the value of, from equation number 3. From equation of, find the value of AP is over. Then similarly find the value of PB. It is the opposite line. That means R minus A cos theta. The AP and PB values is substitute equation number 3. The equation number 3 can be V is equal to constant into charge. That is the AP. That is the PB value is 1 by R minus A cos theta. Minus is as it is 1 by the AP value is R plus A cos theta. Q by 4 phi epsilon naught. Q by 4 phi epsilon naught. Take LCM. LCM, that is R into R is R square. Minus into plus is minus. A into A is A square. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cross multiply. 1 into R plus A cos theta is 1 R plus A cos theta minus 1 into R minus A cos theta is R minus A cos theta. Simplify this equation. R plus A cos theta as it is. Minus into plus is minus R. Minus into minus is plus A cos theta. Minus R plus R get cancelled. Minus R plus R is get cancelled. Therefore, the electric potential V is equal to Q by 4 phi epsilon naught, that is A cos theta, 1 cos theta, that is 1 plus 1 is, that is 2A cos theta, divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. But the 2AQ, that is called dipole moment. The dipole moment is defined as the distance between the dipole, the charge is Q, the distance between positive and negative charges is, that is taken as 2A. That is P is equal to 2AQ. That is the definition of dipole moment. That is 2AQ can be written as, that is P. Therefore, V is equal to 1 by 4 phi epsilon naught, that is 2AQ means, that is P cos theta is as it is, divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. Where V is the electric potential, epsilon is the permittivity of the free space, P is called dipole system, and theta is the angle, R is the distance between P and O, A is the distance between midpoint of the dipole moment to positive and negative charges. This is the expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole system. Electric dipole system. There are two special cases. First case is if theta is equal to 0. If theta is equal to 0, what is the electric potential? When theta is minimum, what is the electric potential? That is cos 0. Cos 0 is what? Cos 0 is, that is the 1. cos 0 is 1. The electric potential is axial, that is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square minus A square. R square minus A square. That means the large distance A is less than R, A square can be neglected, A square can be neglected. That means V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. If theta is equal to 90 degree, what is the electric potential? If theta is equal to 90 degree, what is the electric potential? The electric potential V is equal to is 0. The electric potential is the 0. That means the equipotential V equatorial is equal to 0. That is a special cases of electric potential due to the electric dipole. Okay. Thank you. Continue to next class.